Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change country in the Candy Crush Saga app. So let's get started. First of all, find the Candy Crush app on your home screen. Now open it. After opening the app, you will see something like this on your home page. Now to change the country, simply tap onto the settings option at the top right corner. Then here you can find the option of My Account. Simply select it. Now here you can find there is no any built-in feature that you can change the country in the Candy Crush Saga app. Now the country will be added once you connect with the email or your Facebook account from which you have made. For example, if you have opened the Facebook account from America, then it will be added to your location. And that's it. This is how you can change the country in the Candy Crush Saga app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.